Hi dear Geminis, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for all the Gemini singles, and this is a reading from 25th of August till 30th of September. And keep in mind, as this is journal reading, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place, and the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. Okay, let's start, Gemini. So your past energy regarding love, recent past energy, you can say, Gemini, regarding love was, let's see. Ten of Swords. So Gemini, I feel like you felt like somebody backstabbed you, betrayed you, and they gave you some kind of betrayal, and that's why you felt like now you are not able to move. Even now, you will not be able to trust anybody. It was kind of betrayal thing that you went through, and I feel like you are coming out of worst situation in your life. You are coming out of a very bad phase, depressing phase of your life regarding love. Okay, let's clarify the Ten of Swords in your past and in your recent past energy. Let's clarify. Nine of Cups, Three of Cups. My God, lots of love. Three of Pentacles. Now, definitely there was a third party situation, and that's why this thing came out in light, and that's why that broke your heart, and that broke your heart, and you felt like they betrayed you, backstabbed you. See, Nine of Cups. I feel like you were really happy in this connection with this particular person, but this particular person was happy with somebody else. They were spending time, spending money, and spending their all everything with somebody else, and you get to know about this particular thing, and you felt backstabbed and betrayed by them. You felt like nothing is left in this connection now, nothing is left in this world now, my love life is over, and what not. You were in completely in a depressing phase, Gemini. I can understand that. Okay, let's see what's your current energy regarding love, Gemini. This card literally jumped for you. Three of Pentacles. So I feel like right now you are just trying to focus on your work, your business, your job, whatever you're doing. You're just trying to work on your promotions or in some kind of recognition at workplace. This is what you are right now doing. This is your current energy regarding love. You're not focusing on love right now. You're trying to shift your focus towards your life or towards your uh, career and business and money or job, whatever. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles as your current energy regarding love. Okay, the Emperor, the Tower, could be dealing with the Aries here, the World. Two cards of separation. So you decided that you are going to break up with this particular person, and you are going to end this cycle of pain, and you're just trying to focus on your work and business right now. See, Gemini, this is what is happening. You took a decision that I'm going to break up with this particular person. This relationship is no longer existing for me, but still you're feeling like something is left. Deep down, you're feeling like something is left, but still you're trying your best to focus on your work, on business or job, whatever you're doing. You're just trying to shift your focus from your love life to your job life. This is what is happening in your current energy. So regarding love, I don't feel like you're ready for new love, but let me see the feelings of the past person for you right now. What this past person is feeling for you, their feelings for you right now. Let me see, Gemini. Six of Cups. See, this person is missing you. This person is missing your energy and all the sweet memories that you guys had together in the past. This is Six of Cups. This is. See, I feel like this person is coming back to you. Might be not right now, but might be like by the end of September. I feel like this person will come back to you because they are feeling nostalgic about you. They are missing you very badly. They are missing all the sweet memories that you guys had together in the past. And this person is right now just trying to be happy with the memories only. Let's clarify. So if I'm saying like you they betrayed you or something like that, might be you betrayed them. It could also be possible, but yeah, their feelings for you, missing you very badly, missing all the sweet memories that you guys had together, Gemini. Let's clarify. Hierophant could be dealing with the Taurus here. My God, Three of Swords and the Page of Swords. So this person, one of you was very serious about this particular connection. Might be one of you was ready to get married to this particular person, but somebody broke your heart. Something broke your heart, and you were like you cut out that person from your life. Yeah. So now I feel that this person is feeling nostalgic because might be you proposed them for marriage or something in the past. Now they are feeling heartbroken. Now they are trying to connect with you, reconnect with you. They are trying to look they're going through your pictures, missing you very badly. They are going through your pictures on Instagram, Facebook, or something like that, or social media. They're following you there. They're just trying to, friends with you again, because now they are missing the stability that you gave them. Now they are missing the love that you gave them. Okay, that's why this person is very very nostalgic and very very sensitive. You can say very very emotional about you, about this particular connection, Gemini. This is what their feelings for you are, the past person's feelings for you. Let's see your energy, or for a new love, or if somebody new is coming towards your life, or if you're dating somebody new. Let's see what is the energy here. Let's clarify. Let's see. Sorry. Seven of Wands. I don't feel like you're ready to date somebody new right now. You are acting very, very defensive, cold, and detached. You are like, no, please don't come towards me. I am not ready for any kind of emotional shit right now. Just let me be. Just leave me alone. This alone. This is the Seven of Wands, acting defensive, cold, detached, and off, completely off, standing your own ground and behaving like very, very adamant and sometimes rude as well. That please don't. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I need my own space. I need my own world. I just don't need any fucking person. Coming towards me emotionally. Okay, emotionally, I'm telling you. Let's clarify the Seven of Wands as your current energy regarding new love. Let's see. Okay. Chariot, moving on, trying to move on, and Four of Wands and Three of Wands. So you are trying to move on from the past situation, and you are feeling like, I'm going to get married to now. I'm going to just wait for the right person and get married to them. You are waiting for somebody, stable. You are waiting for a stable connection in your life. You just wanted to get, you just now you just want to get married or be in a solid committed relationship, and now you're just waiting for the right person, just waiting for the right person. You are feeling like, now I can't do anything, I can just do wait. I all I can do is just wait for the right person to come towards me. That is why you're trying your best to move on from the past, and after moving on from the past, you have decided that I'm going to be in a stable committed relationship only, and I will just wait for my ships to arrive. Meaning, I will just wait for the soulmate, or I will just wait for the right person to come towards me. This is your current energy regarding new love, and that's why you are just acting cold and detached and off. You are feeling like, no, please, time passes, please stay away. I just don't want any kind of foolish relationship, or no strings attached kind of relationship, or one night stands, or anything related to that, or third party situation. That is why you're doing like this. Okay, that is why you are behaving like this right now. Cool, understood, happens. Let's see what is coming towards you till the end of September, or you can say the guidance for you. Let's see what is coming towards you till end of September. King of Pentacles. Some kind of money related offer is coming towards you. For some of you, it is healing. You are going to be completely healed by this situation. Whomsoever you were connected with, and whomsoever hurted you, or whomsoever you have hurted, you are going to be completely out of that situation, and you are going to be in a healing process, and you will be healed. So by the end of September, you will be in this energy. Now I'm completely healed. Now I'm ready for a brand new beginning in my life. And for some of you, some kind of financial success is coming towards you. King of Pentacles is the most, you can say, the number one card regarding money and finances. Some kind of financial stability, or some kind of financial good news is coming towards you by the end of September. Okay, Gemini, let's clarify the King of Pentacles. Oh my god, Seven of Wands again, the High Priestess, Seven of Swords. What kind of healing is? So it's like, Gemini, it's a very difficult situation that you are in right now. I can deeply understand. Again, you will be very defensive by the end of September as well. You will be very defensive. You will try to listen to your intuition, and there will be a secret that will come out in light. There will be something that will come out in light. There will be a secret coming out to you, and this secret will make you relieve, make you feel relieved, make you feel like, yeah, now I can heal properly. Now I can move forward in my life. See, for some of you, it feels like a negative reading, but for me, it is a very, very positive reading, because there will be something that is finally coming out to light. There will be a secret that will be revealed. There will be a truth that will be coming out of, somebody's mouth or somebody's experience or existence. I don't know what kind of truth is coming out, but that's going to make you feel like, yeah, now I will heal, now I will move on, now I will be completely healed from this situation, from the past situation. And plus some kind of financial abundance is also there coming towards you, or at least an offer or job or some kind of business related thing is coming towards you, that's going to make you feel really happy and abundant. Okay, so yeah, Gemini, I feel like this is a very complicated reading to do, but yeah, this is what is happening with you guys till the end of September. Singles, I can help it, I can't help it. Yeah, I can just scratch my neck whenever I feel nervous or I feel like, yeah, it's too intense to catch or say. So yeah, Gemini, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video for relationship and love. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste, bye.